Our viewers wanted to know, why do girls post nudes on social media? What are your views towards it?
Maybe to gain more followers, attract, uh, to gain followers and attention from the other side. And I
Okay.
think it's not really that good to do like post nudes and stuff and gain
Right.
attraction and stuff.
Because
I
these
think in
days,
this generation, like usually girls are doing that thing a lot to gain followers,
right,
attention, and people who are talented are not like getting that attention what people like usually who are very talented they have to get it. They're working hard, they're giving their
Best.
100% best, but they're not really getting the attention, the success what they really want. But people who are posting semi-nudes, they're really getting like
because a
just-
lot of
yeah,
influencers are also
true.
gaining a lot of money,
Yeah,
and
why
there's
they
no
do
guidance.
that? Yeah,
There's no
exactly.
guidance.
True, very much. And that is affecting teenagers a lot. Maybe like people who are like kids, usually 14, 15, 16 years, people are usually going half nudes, posting selfies, mirror selfies. And I can't imagine our future generation in next 5 to 6 years how fucked up it will be.
सो हमारे व्यूअर्स जानना चाहते थे, जैसे कि आज के तारीख में बहुत ही फीमेल सोशल मीडिया इन्फ्लुएंसर्स है और बहुत सारी फीमेल लोग हैं जो आज के तारीख में हाफ नूड्स और नूड्स पोस्ट करते हैं। तो आपको क्या लगता है कि आपके क्या ओपिनियन है इसके ऊपर, लोग ऐसे क्यों करते हैं?
Well, it's there. I mean, social media is something like where you can post whatever you want.
राइट,
So I guess it's totally there. If they are comfortable with showing their body, I mean,
Right.
it's okay. I mean, if people can't see that, I mean, if they have any problem, don't see that now.
राइट,
Why
राइट,
to just go? I mean, it's okay. I mean, it's their wish. They are posting it on their own social media
पर्सनल
platform.
थिंग।
It's not like they're posting it on your platform or
Right.
something. They're posting it on a like public thing. No? It's
Okay.
their thing. You want to see them? Okay, see. If not, just it's okay. Just leave that. But don't post all those shitty comments. It's their life.
हमारे व्यूअर्स जानना चाहते थे, आपके क्या ओपिनियन है आज के जनरेशन की जो गर्ल्स है, व्हाई डू दे पोस्ट हाफ नूड्स एंड फुल नूड्स ऑन सोशल मीडिया, एंड इज इट अ गुड सोर्स ऑफ अर्निंग, एंड आर सम पीपल गेटिंग इन्फ्लुएंस बाय डूइंग दिस थिंग्स इन अ बेटर मैनर और इन अ नेगेटिव मैनर? व्हाट आर योर ओपिनियन टुवर्ड्स इट?
So my opinion is that it's a personal choice. We
Agree.
can't judge
Anyone.
anyone. Okay, अगर कोई कुछ भी पोस्ट कर रहा है, किसी भी तरह का ड्रेस है, हाफ
Right.
नूड, एनीथिंग, ओके, तो बहुत लोग होते हैं कि इन्फ्लुएंस हो रहे हैं, या जो हमारे अभी टीनेजर्स है, कहीं ना कहीं इंस्टाग्राम, सोशल मीडिया बहुत ही ज़्यादा अभी के टाइम पे हावी होता है, लोग उसको ही देखकर सीखते हैं।
Exactly.
बहुत पहले ऐसा नहीं था सोशल मीडिया, तो टीनेजर्स या स्कूल के जो भी बच्चे उन्हें कुछ पता नहीं चलता था, बट अब चूँकि they are also involved in social media and every places, so they are looking pictures like those half nudes and okay,
Because
so,
right now in this
so-
generation, these things have came from the Western culture.
Yeah, exactly.
If you look back onto the 1980s, like exposing nudity, showing your body wasn't even introduced into the culture. No one even knew
not
about
even
that.
in films and serials, but
Never.
not
It was mentioned nowhere.
because of web series also. I want to say that not that much, but
There's a
you know,
lot of exposure, to
vulgarity
be
and
honest.
all. हाँ, so कहीं ना कहीं ये चीज़ हमारे सोसाइटी को इन्फ्लुएंस
Influence
कर
करता
रहा है।
है, एक बुरे मैनर में भी कर रहा है, एक पॉजिटिव मैनर में भी कर रहा है, but
पब्लिसिटी की वजह से आप देखते होंगे जिनका पोस्ट ऐसा होता है, कहीं ना कहीं उनके फॉलोअर्स ज़्यादा होते हैं, एंड
Exactly.
स्पेशली बीइंग अ गर्ल, मतलब ये चीज़ें हैं, तो आप करो, बट इसको पब्लिसिटी के लिए या कुछ ऐसा नहीं करो कि हमारे सोसाइटी को नेगेटिव
impact ho. Our viewers wanted to know, what do you think, why do girls post half nudes and full nudes on social media? What are your opinion towards it?
Okay, so according to me, there's nothing wrong with posting half news, full news on social media,
Agreed.
but with the proper knowledge and education,
Exactly.
why they should do it. So if you're not comfortable and you're just following people because you feel like they're doing it, I can earn money. So if your only
It's very irrelevant.
Yeah, if your only motive is to earn money, then I don't think it's relevant to post your pictures online,
Okay.
nude or half nude. But if you have body positivity issues or you want to spread the message, I think
A
that's no
positive
issue.
message.
Yeah, a positive message. I don't think there's any problem with that. Yeah.
Viewers wanted to know, what do you think, why do girls these days post nudes or half nudes on social media, and what is the impact towards all the small kids and all the teenagers?
I think mainly because they are like very conscious about their own body,
Yes.
and they think that if they get a certain number of likes and a certain number of comments, they can prove to themselves that they are
Superior, or they are
superior
inspiring
and
other
beautiful
people.
and pretty and they are not like fat or something like that.
Agreed. Yeah, some facts
so
are right.
that gives them more confidence about their body.
And also upper hands, and they think of getting motivated in the right
Yeah.
segment. Our viewers wanted to know, what do you think? Why do women these days, and a lot of influencers as well, post half nudes and full nudes on social media? Are they earning through it, or what is the scenario?
I completely support women who actually want to express themselves these days.
Right.
Especially, I mean, now with social media platforms, I mean, I'm so glad that they are giving them a space.
Right.
To be able to monetize whatever they want to do with their bodies. I mean, it is their own individual
perspective, their thought process.
Yeah, I mean, and it is their identity, and they've been developing their identities over the whatever
Past
you could say,
couple of-
1 decade, 2 decades, whatever it is. And yeah, I feel it's a good opportunity for them to be able to express themselves
As an individual.
as an individual.
Our viewers wanted to know, why do girls post nudes on social media?
Well, isn't
What-
it obvious?
Yeah.
I mean, it's so obvious. The question itself is funny because I guess everyone needs some kind of popularity,
Right.
or you know, we are craving for that likes and followers and
Attention.
whatnot. Attention. I mean, right now in the digital era, we are talking about likes and followers. But otherwise, if you see, that has been innately as a human, you know, like a
Desire, or you can-
desire.
yeah.
You're filling in for me. So yeah, I guess that's it. I mean, it's more of like what will be titillating, or what will be something which will just, you know, sort of add that curiosity to see more. And I think nudity is the best answer, I guess, when it comes down to.
But a lot of
human
people are not
psychology.
giving a proper guidance towards it. Don't you think so? A lot of celebrities are earning a number of money, but at the same time, no proper guidance has been given towards that, and due to which a lot of small teenagers are being misguided, and they are being posting a lot of nudes and other photos on social media, where they are just exposing the body without knowing the consent about anything. So what do you think about this? Our viewers actually wanted to know about these circumstances as well.
I think it's preposterous.
Yes.
And I guess I agree. I agree to the fact that there has to be certain kind of guidelines.
Guidelines
At least
given
for
to
not like for the elder ones, because they are like adult and they can
Yes.
understand and be guided, and you know, with their whatever XYZ experiences. But yes, the younger generation, the teens and children, they kind of are. They feel they are the role models,
Yes.
and they try to emulate.
Imitate them.
So
They tend to
that-
imitate them in a wrong manner, and they get influenced just because of not a proper guidance given to them, which results in a lot of bad things in the future for themselves.
Yeah, but I'm not very sure what kind of guidance can be given, because it's like, you know, you're in a vast sea.
I know.
I mean, from where
it's
you
a very much
get
vast.
the barrier. I mean, how do you put that barrier? Even if you sit and think,
Some
juggle about
disclaimer
it.
things or any proper, some typical.
I think some of them have. I don't know. I mean, even Instagram, I suppose it has it. It has that kind of.
No, it doesn't
Yeah?
has it. It
Okay.
doesn't.
At
have
least YouTube has.
Definitely. Thanks a lot for the bite, and thanks a lot for your beautiful compliments and your views towards the question. Thanks a lot again.
You're welcome.
होप आपको हमारा ये वीडियो पसंद आया होगा। ऐसी ही वीडियोस देखने के लिए आप हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए, और आप चाहते हो आपके मन में कोई भी सवाल हो जो हम लोगों से पूछे, तो आप नीचे कमेंट सेक्शन में मेंशन कर सकते हो, या हमारे कोई भी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म फेसबुक, ट्विटर, इंस्टाग्राम पे जाके कमेंट सेक्शन में #LaMisalMedia आपका क्वेश्चन इस्तेमाल कर सकते हो। इसी के साथ अगर आप हमें सपोर्ट करना चाहते हो तो आप हमें पेट्रियन कर सकते हो, जिसका लिंक आपको नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में दिया गया है। और आपको हमेशा एक चीज़ याद रखना है, आपको #LaMisalMedia वी आर फ्यूचर यूज़ करते रहना है। इसी के साथ मिलता हूँ मैं आपको नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। जय हिंद।